अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल का नेम है राजू टेक्निकल 01। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको जल्द मिल सके। कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने आज के टॉपिक को। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू यूज़ फेस मेकअप ऐप। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप फेस मेकअप ऐप को कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप वीडियोस बनाते हैं, आप फिल्टर्स लगाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको ये ऐप बहुत पसंद आएगी। मैं आपको इसका मुकम्मल तरीका इस्तेमाल करने का आज बताऊंगा। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को, हाउ टू यूज़ फेस मेकअप ऐप। Certainly, if you are interested in adding makeup effect to your photos or videos, there are several apps you can explore. Let's dive into how to use a couple of them. First is YouCam Makeup. Download the app. YouCam Makeup is available for both Android and iOS device. Install and open the app. Launch YouCam Makeup on your smartphone. Choose a photo or take a selfie. Select a photo from your gallery or capture a new one using the app. Explore makeup options. YouCam Makeup offers a wide range of makeup effects, including lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, and more. Experiment with different looks by applying virtual makeup to your faces. Adjust and customize. Use the app tools to adjust the intensity, color, and placement of makeup. Try out different shades and style until you achieve the desired look. Save or share. Once you are satisfied, save the edit photo or share it directly on social media. Second is Face app. Download the app. Face app is available on both Android and iOS platforms. Install and open the app. Launch Face app on your device. Choose a photo or take a selfie. Selecting an existing photo or capture a new one using the app. Apply makeup effects. Face app provides various makeup filters including lipstick, eyeliner, and blush. Swipe through the options and choose the effect you like. Fine-tune the look. Adjust the intensity and placement of the makeup using the app controls. You can also experiment with different hairstyles and other enhancements. Save or share. Save the edit photo to your gallery or share it directly on social media platform. Remember that these apps you just a starting point and there are many other makeup apps available. Feel free to explore and find the one that suits your preferences and creativity. Learn more. First is Ipsy.com, second is perfectcore.com, third is play.google.com, fourth is facetuneapp.com, fifth is betatech.com.